Magic custard cake is our today's recipe. For this cake, first we need to separate egg whites from egg yolks. Then mix sugar and butter with egg yolks until smooth. After that, add lemon zest into this. Then add vanilla. Thereafter, gradually add flour and mix until well blended. After adding all flour, add milk and continue mixing. In another bowl, beat egg whites until stiff peaks form. Then fold egg whites with the batter. Transfer this batter into a baking pan and bake the cake around 80 to 90 minutes under 150 degrees Celsius in a preheated oven. Once baked, let this cake cool down completely and refrigerate around 2 hours to set. Finally, you can cut this into pieces and enjoy. Subscribe my channel and ring the bell until we meet again with a new video. Visit dailylife.lk site for more delicious recipes.